Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to delete a file from the desktop from here, this file here. So without further ado, make sure you hit that subscribe button first. It's down below, it's the red thing down there. Okay, thank you very much for supporting the channel. Okay, let's create a subroutine called delete file. Okay, this is the subroutine, and we're going to have to create the path to it. So my scalar path is going to be equal to C colon users mark and desktop. Okay. So for you, your path will be different. It won't be this one. So you'll have to find out what your path is. So we're going to do chdr, which is change directory to this particular path here. Okay, and then we're going to print enter a file. So a file you want to delete off your desktop. Okay, so that's going to be my scalar del file. It's going to be equal to standard input. Okay, and then chomp del file. Right. And now we're just going to print a message to the user telling the user we are deleting file, new line. Okay, and then we're going to put sleep here, so we're going to give it a pause for 1 second so it looks like it's working. Okay, and then we're going to print user a message saying file deleted. Okay. Right, all we have to do now is call the program delete file. So I have forgot to use the unlink on here, so it's going to be unlink then scalar del file. Okay, let's just save that. In my haste, it's going a little bit too fast there, so let's run it again. So let's put a.txt deleting file, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.